Hey everybody, what's up? And I am here with Ian and Ethan once again.
Hello. What's up?
And today, I got my last item for now. Let me just set up my camera. There it is. I already sorta opened it. Well, the package. I did not open the actual alarm. But let's check this out. And this is a First Alert PC1210V. It's round. It's got a female voice. I believe that's just a sticker. I'm sure I'm gonna be able to take it off. So, anyways, let's look at the back here. So this is combination smoke and carbon monoxide. Let's take this out now. It's pretty easy. Alright, so first things first, we got the manuals, of course.
Please see manual.
Every time. Oh yeah, I changed my notifications and my ringtones to please see manual. Oh, stickers just came out.
Manual.
Anchors and screws.
Please throw anchors and screws.
Here is the mounting base, which we got the actual alarm itself, and yes, it is a sticker. And oh my goodness, this thing is so skinny. It's actually really skinny. And this is the switch that turns it on. And here we go.
Welcome. First Alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, please see manual. Press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location heard. Basement. Child's bedroom. Child's bedroom. Location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit.
So that's pretty cool. It's got the female voice, unlike my SA511, which has the male voice. So
Is the female voice like loud as the SA511?
yeah, pretty much. It's pretty much the same.
Oh.
As you can tell, it's photoelectric. First Alert. Here's the sticker, which I'm gonna remove. So that's pretty cool. Now I think if you turn this thing, I think this turns it off. Yeah, that just turns it back off. And I think this mounting bracket is designed. Yeah, I'm sure it's off. Yeah, it's off. This mounting bracket is designed to turn it to the on position when you install it. So that way you won't like forget. Yep.
First Alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm.
So I've seen a similar model at my grandparents' house, which is the P1210, I think the model was. So it's a similar model number. And I think I'm going to be getting another one of these, apparently, because, what's it called? I think it was like kind of a mistake when putting together my birthday list, apparently. So I probably will be getting another one of these, and I'll probably replace it. And I'll probably claim that other one. So this is a pretty heavy-duty alarm. I'm not going to test it now because I don't want to blare the house, but I'll get an actual video of testing it.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in child's bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in child's bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Please see manual. Impossible First Alert number 2. Well, anyway.
Yeah, I always thought those units sounded cool.
They're really skinny, actually. This is like very skinny. So,
That's why I like to call them the first one slimlines.
This actually twists like nothing, like right here. This is all it does. It's just you put it on, twist it just like an inch, centimeter, more like, it's on. So this is a pretty interesting design. So this is a pretty neat device to add to my.
More thinner than the SA511.
Yeah, this is very thin. Wow. So this is pretty cool. So I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. And my next storm that I'll be getting is going to be the KNCOPPB LPM, I think the model is. Which is the one with the carbon monoxide one with the LCD screen that's battery operated. I'll try to get one of those. Once I have enough money for it, I'll pay for one. So, hope you all enjoyed. I'll remove the sticker. So, I'll see you in this.
Something real quick?
What? Oh, okay.
Something real quick before you end the video.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So on Christmas, which is next month, I'll be getting a First Alert SC7010BB. So I used to have my old First Alert SC7010BB, but now it's at my grandma's house.
Yeah, he replaced
So
it.
on Christmas, I am getting another one. So
Stay tuned
this
for
is
that,
the
guys.
thumbnail. This is the thumbnail.
Oh, hold on.
for the new-
Let me show it to them. There you go. That's what it looks like. So, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the Smoke Alarm Collection update. Maybe late today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe Thanksgiving. I don't know. Who knows when it's going to be out. It'll be out at some point this week. So, once I have it all set up, we'll do another update. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and you guys want to say bye?
See ya. Bye.
Thank you for watching.